Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the past paper October 2023 of paper 2. This part includes questions from 5 to 8. Fifth question relates to the chapter on exponentials and logarithms. Now sixth is included on the chapter integration. Seventh one deals with the chapter on coordinate geometry. Finally, eighth one on the chapter sequences and series. Here we need to solve the equation 3 to the power a equals 70. By taking logarithms on both sides, a log 3 equals log 70. Hence a equals log 70 by log 3. That equals 3.867. An equation is given as 4 plus 3 log b to the base 3 equals log 5b to the base 3. And we need to find the value of b. Now to solve for b, just rewrite the equation as log 5b to the base 3 minus 3 log b to the base 3 equals 4. Log 5b to the base 3 minus, now rewrite 3 log b using this law, that is log b cube to the base 3 equals 4. And again rewrite log 5b minus log b cube using this law. Then log 5b by b cube to the base 3 equals 4. Finally, we can convert log into exponential form by using this law. That is 3 to the power 4 equals 5b by b cube, which implies 5 by b square equals 3 to the power 4. Now we ask root of 5 by 81. Here is being studied. Attempt to use the trapezium rule to estimate the cross-sectional area of the river. Here 0, 0 corresponds to the value x0, y0. This represents x1, y1. Now x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. Finally, x5, y5. The 6 values of x and y are given. Hence, the number of steps n equals 6 minus 1 equals 5. H equals b minus a by n. That is 15 minus 0 by 5. That equals 15 by 5 as 3. Now attempt to use this formula for calculating the cross-sectional area. Now substituting the corresponding values, area equal 3 by 2 times 0 plus 2 times 1.52 plus 2.74 plus 3.12 plus 3.08 plus 0. That equals 3 by 2 times 2 times 10.46 equals 31.38 meters square. Next, attempt to estimate the volume of water flowing through this section of river each minute. Its volume is given by base area into height that equals 31.38 times. But it is given that the water in the river is modeled as flowing at a constant speed of 1.5 meter per second. Hence height equals 1.5 times 60, that is equal 2824, approximately equal to 2800 meter cube. For part C, answer is underestimate. For example, area of trapezium is smaller than the cross-sectional area. Here circle C is given with center 4 minus 3. And the equation of tangent L is given as y equals 5 by 2x minus 55 by 2. And we need to calculate the equation of xn. Actually, xn is perpendicular to the tangent L. The gradient of tangent m1 equals 5 by 2. Hence, the gradient of perpendicular xn is negative reciprocal of 5 by 2. That is minus 2 by 5. The line xn passes through the point 4 minus 3. Equation of a line with gradient m that passes through the point x1 y1 is y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. Hence the equation of xn can be written as 5 plus 3 equals minus 2 by 5 times x minus 4. Now cross multiplying 5y plus 15 equals minus 2x plus 8. Now rearranging 2x plus 5y plus 7 equals 0 as the equation of xn. Next attempt to calculate the coordinates of n. For this, just try to simplify the equations of L and xn. Just substitute the y value in second equation. That is 2x plus 5 times 5 by 2x minus 55 by 2 plus 7 equals 0. It implies 4x plus 25x minus 275 plus 14 equals 0. Now 29x plus 261 equals 0. Or 29x equals 261. Then x equals 261 by 29. That equals 9. Now substitute the value of x in this equation. Got value of y as 5 by 2 times 9 minus 55 by 2. That equals 45 by 2 minus 55 by 2. Equals minus 10 by 2 is minus 5. Hence the coordinates of n is 9 minus 5. Now let us attempt to form an equation for C. Here 4 minus 3 is the center and the circle passes through the point 9 minus 5. Hence we can use this equation of circle. We can use distance formula for calculating the radius of the circle. That is r is equal to root of 9 minus 4 the whole square plus minus 5 plus 3 the whole square. That equals root of 5 square, that's 25 plus 2 square 4 equals root 29. The center of the circle is 4 minus 3 and radius root 29. Hence the equation of circle is given by x minus 4 the whole square plus 5 plus 3 the whole square equals root 29 square, that's 29. Next, the eighth one. In a large theatre, there are n rows of seats. The number of seats in first row is A. In each subsequent row, there are 4 more seats than in the previous row. Also given that the number of seats in each row form an arithmetic sequence. Also it is given that the total number of seats in the first 10 row is 360. That is S10 as 360. Then attempt to calculate the value of A. The number of seats in first row is A. In second row, there are A plus 4 seats. In third row, there are A plus 8 seats. Hence, A plus 4, A plus 8 form an arithmetic sequence. Yes, 10 equals 360 implies n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D equals 360. Where n equal 10 and D equal A plus 4 minus A, it is 4. Now the equation becomes 5 times 2A plus 9 times 4 is equal to 360. Now 2A plus 36 equals 72. After simplifying, got the value of A as 18. Now for part B, it's given that the total number of seats in n rows is 2146. It's Sn equal to 2146, which implies n by 2 times 2A plus n minus 1 into D equals 2146. N by 2 times 18 plus n minus 1 times 4 is equal to 2146. Now take 2 as common from the numerator. Got 2n by 2 times 18 plus 2 times n minus 1 equals 2146. Now n times 18 plus 2n minus 2 equals 2146. N times 16 plus 2n equals 2146. Now expanding bracket and rearranging, you got the answer as 2n square plus 16n minus 2146 equals 0. Now take 2 as common from left hand side. We got the final answer as n square plus 8n minus 1073 equals 0. Now to find the value of n or the number of rows of seats in the theatre, just try to solve the equation n square plus 8n minus 1073 equals 0. Now applying quadratic formula, n is equal to minus 8 plus or minus root of 8 square minus 4 times minus 1073 by 2, that equals minus 8 plus or minus root of 4356 all by 2. We can discard the negative value. Therefore, the value of n is 29. Since there are 29 rows in the theatre, to calculate the maximum number of seats in any row, calculate U29. Now U29 equals 18 plus 28 times 4, that equals 130.